There's a certain magic to Morse code, isn't there? And for many, that magic truly comes alive with a classic straight key. Today, we're taking a close look at the XIEGU VK-5, a mini CW straight key that promises to bring that traditional experience right to your fingertips. What immediately stands out with the VK-5 is its incredibly satisfying tactile feel. This isn't just a switch, it's an instrument. The smooth action and adjustable paddle resistance mean you can really dial in the keying speed and tension to perfectly match your personal style. It's about comfort, yes, but also about precision, letting you find that sweet spot for effortless sending. And when it comes to performance, this key delivers. The return action is crisp and responsive, no sluggishness here, which is absolutely crucial for fast, accurate CW. Whether you're practicing your dits and DAWs or engaging in a high-speed QSO, the VK-5 keeps up without missing a beat. It just feels clean. Now for a mini key, the stability is genuinely impressive. XIEGU designed this with an elongated base, a well-balanced weight, and those essential anti-slip rubber pads. You can really lean into it, and it stays firmly anchored, whether it's on your desk at home or perched on a log during a POTA activation. Speaking of build, this thing is a tank. It's crafted from CNC-machined aluminum alloy, giving it a premium feel and excellent durability. And those silver-plated copper contacts. That's a nice touch for corrosion resistance and reliable connections, ensuring it meets the high standards serious ham operators expect. Connectivity is a breeze too. It's plug-and-play with a standard 3.5 jack and comes with a durable PVC cable. So if you're running a XIEGU G90, X6100, X6200, G106, or X5105, you're good to go right out of the box. But honestly, it'll work with most CW-capable radios. What's really great, especially for newcomers to CW, is its simple single-paddle layout. You don't have to worry about iambic timing. It's just a straightforward way to build those fundamental keying skills. It's perfect for wild camping, SOTA, LOTA, or just casual indoor practice. One small thing to note, while the build quality is fantastic, the fixed cable length might be a minor consideration for some very specific setups where you need a much longer or shorter run. It's a minor point, but something to keep in mind. However, the overall feel in the hand, the solid weight, and that satisfying click make up for it. It just feels substantial, not flimsy like some other portable keys. So is the XIEGU VK-5 worth it? For anyone looking for a reliable, well-built, and genuinely enjoyable straight key experience, especially if you're just starting out or need something robust for portable ops, this one definitely hits the mark. It's a solid piece of gear that just works, and works well.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.